Now, what if I told you that the decisions you make with your money today could set you up for the wealthiest version of yourself tomorrow? That's right. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. But here's the thing. Most people never take that first step. Why? Because they're afraid of making mistakes. But do you want to know a secret? The only mistake you can make in investing is not starting. The importance of investing. Let's be real for a second. Life's expensive. You know this, I know this. Rent, bills, groceries, the list never ends. But if you're only saving your money, guess what? Inflation is eating away at it faster than you can say compound interest. Now, you've probably heard the term investing. And for most people, it feels like this mysterious world full of charts and numbers that are way over their heads. But here's the deal. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Not if you know where to start. And today, I'm going to break it all down for you. Breaking down investment options. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know is that there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to investing. So, let's look at the 4 main investment strategies: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Sounds like a lot, right? Don't worry, I'll make it easy for you. Let's start with stocks. Think of stocks as buying a tiny piece of a company. When the company does well, so do you. But when they fall, well, that's the risk. Fear kicking in? Hold tight because the reward is huge if you play the long game. Remember, those people you hear about who became millionaires? They didn't get there by playing it safe. They took calculated risks in the stock market. Yes, it can get a little scary watching those numbers go up and down, but hey, the key is patience. If you're buying for the long term, you can withstand a few dips. After all, they say what goes down must come up, right? Next up, bonds. Bonds are like lending money to the government or corporations. You get paid back with interest over time. Safe, predictable, but less exciting. So, if you're more into slow and steady than fast gains, bonds might be your vibe. Bonds are the tortoises of the investment world. Slow, but reliable. If you're looking for stability in your portfolio, adding some bonds could help balance things out. Now, let's talk about mutual funds and ETFs, 2 investment vehicles that give you exposure to a bunch of stocks or bonds, or even a mix of both. This is perfect for beginners because you're not picking individual stocks. You're spreading the risk and reaping the benefits of diversification. You see, while stocks can be risky, mutual funds and ETFs give you the peace of mind that you won't lose everything with one bad investment. It's like buying a whole portfolio without having to be a financial expert. Actionable tips for getting started. So now that we've covered the basics, here's the real question. What are you waiting for? The longer you wait, the more you're losing out. Even if you only start with a small amount, start. Because when you do, you're harnessing the power of compounding, and trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Want a quick tip? Start with a diversified portfolio of ETFs and mutual funds to minimize your risk while dipping your toes in the investment world. But wait, there's one more strategy that could change everything for you, and I'll share it with you in just a moment. Stick around because this one could be the game changer that accelerates your wealth faster than you ever thought possible. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, smash that like button and subscribe because you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get you started on your wealth building journey today. And remember, your future self will thank you for the action you take right now. Drop a comment if you're already investing, or if you're ready to take the plunge. Catch you in the next one.